Hey guys, it's Tommy. In today's video, we're going to learn to make adjustments to your metal frame. Stay tuned. Now let's say your frames are crooked. You fell asleep at night and you happen to lay on them, and now they sit like this. Not a problem. What we're going to do is twist at the nose bridge. What you want to do is grip onto the lenses and twist in the direction you need to make them straight. You can check your alignment by placing them on a flat surface, and if they're still not adjusted properly, you may just want to twist a little bit more. Now let's just say you fell asleep with your glasses on, and this time the arm is bowed out. What I mean is one is out further than the other. Not a problem. What we can do is bend the arm back in. At the corner of the frame, you're going to take your thumbs and apply pressure inward. Again, you want to check your alignment, and if it's not perfect, adjust it a little bit more. Now you have a straight arm. If you wear metal frames and the nose pads bother you, the great thing about metal frames is that they have adjustable nose pads. What you want to do is adjust the nose pads either outward or inward to accommodate your comfort level. Now, if you find that your metal frames are sliding down your nose and the nose pad adjustment doesn't help, one last thing you can try is adjusting the end of the temple or the arm piece. What you're going to do is apply pressure, and you're going to make a more dramatic bend at the end. This will ensure that your ear is securely hooked and the glasses won't fall. Once complete, you can check your 4-point alignment, and you should be good. Now, if you have a broken metal frame, not to worry. As long as you use the same frame model, you're able to swap the lenses into that other frame. For instructions on how to do so, click the link above. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.